I think me living in Japan has made getting the ingredients for ramen a lot more easier than it probably would in the States. Especially with the chashu, because they already have it pre-made. We found a whole section just for ramen. So Joey just came in. He's surprised that I'm just making miso soup straight up. I mean, I don't know, dude. Like, it's miso ramen.
Well, I don't know. Usually miso ramen has like a thicker taste.
Well, it did come.
That's just straight up miso soup.
Yeah, it is. But I mean, this one says miso soup. It came with these packets. It just says miso soup. See? So
yeah, but usually, like, it's like kind of broth based,
right?
Rather than it just being a soup.
Well, should I just add it? We'll add one packet to it.
That's gonna be a thick ass soup, boy.
Well, I don't know.
It's like double the miso.
I mean, like, what do you want me to do? Should we go for this? Should I just double? I'll just double it. Whatever.
Right.
I'm doing this without really instructions. I'm just kind of going by what I feel in my heart and what I feel in my stomach. At least this looks a lot more appetizing than the zombie ramen. Remember that monstrosity? The Crocs. Don't worry, guys. I'm not wearing Crocs. You can check my feet.
What are those?
We got some more color to it, and it looks like some oil was added.
Yeah, it looks like an actual broth.
Yeah, yeah.
Instead of just fucking miso soup.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
That was a good choice. I'm just trying to figure out how everything else works. Do you just like throw it all in at the end? Like the chashu, the Naruto, and the bamboo shoots?
Yes,
okay,
literally yes.
Okay, so
Get the nudes.
Here are my nudes.
Yeah.
See, look at that. That's a lot more appetizing than the zombie one. See, the secret key ingredient to making Naruto ramen is that you have to believe it. What does that even mean, believe it? You have to datebayo that shit? Look at it. This is how you datebayo.
Oh, look at all that date by you. Does it say how long you have to put it in for?
Gotti! Anyways.
Make sure you separate the nudes.
Okay. Separate nudes. Joey said we have to separate the nudes, so this side will be Pornhub. This side will be, Hentai Haven, rest in peace. This side will be...
So it will be non-existent.
This side will... This side will be... Patreon. Patreon! I don't sell nudes on Patreon. I sell something else. Okay, so I just have to stir this. Mind you that this is all being made while I haven't read any instructions on how to make ramen, so this is like officially the first proper ramen I've ever made. None of that cup of noodle shit. We're doing it from kind of scratch, despite the fact that we got pre-made chashu. But that's besides the point. That miso's kind of boiling a lot.
Yeah, I turned the heat off a lot.
Yeah. Just off? Well, I have to also boil some eggs.
Turn the heat off and then keep the lid on it so that the heat doesn't escape.
Okay. Should I boil the eggs in here? I usually like 2 eggs in mine, but whatever. I'm trying to think back to cooking class. I only took it as a free elective, bro. We're winging it.
Put that egg in, boy.
Whoop. Oh, wait, hold on. There's a piece of plastic on it. How many Naruto you want?
Just one.
4 it is.
That's a fake ass Naruto, dude. Holy
No.
shit.
That's not it. No, it's gonna be this.
And
See?
that's still really thick.
Oh, okay. Should I just?
Cut that in half.
Our Naruto is cut. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. That just plopped out, didn't it?
Oh, that was hefty. Oh shit!
Oh no! Joey! Put it back. It's okay. We
It's
can.
hot. Give me the.
It's okay. We can still eat that.
I can't see.
It's okay, man. That'll be yours. That's your portion. This is my portion.
What?
Chef Joey. He's just eating it straight from the sink.
Yeah, I'll just wash it.
Ugh.
That's it.
Well, yeah, that's what happens when you touch hot noodles.
I was trying to be cool like those like ramen people who are like,
The eggs are coming out. My eggs are coming. And this is how you databayo your eggs. I heard that there's like a trick on getting like the whole shell out like perfectly.
Yeah, that's a little undercooked, isn't it?
Really? Oh, okay. Yeah, just throw that egg out.
Oh, that's a waste of an egg.
Can you eat this one too? I think it's the same, actually. I
Straight up eating 2 eggs.
That's your appetizer before dinner.
2 undercooked eggs.
2. I didn't really distribute this correctly. We'll just do this. Yay! Is there a Naruto episode where it actually teaches you how to make ramen?
I don't know.
3 chashu.
But hey, check out this ramen
Yeah, but we should...
with the totally not Naruto thing. Yeah, we should eat this.
I'm just flipping the meat.
Look, I don't need eggs. I just want to eat. Because it's going to take a while to fucking get those out of the shell as well.
Time to top it off with some negi. And
think it
we
does.
both did it together. Yeah. And now we are finally done with our Naruto ramen.
Itadakimasu.
We made it out of love together.
It's a bit cold.
It's because we didn't time everything. I think the thing that makes ramen so hard to make is the timing of when you have to cook everything. Should we microwave it?
No.
Wait, we gotta eat like Naruto. And that
I am. Fast as fuck, boys.
You have to do it with your eyes closed.
You're not eating it like Naruto.
What?
Using a fork.
You're using... Oh.
You were saying.
I still want my egg. I do have to admit though, our ramen is kind of cold.
Maybe the egg will be fucking exploded.
Yeah, I was going to ask, how did this happen?
Dude, it just fucking prematurely ejaculated.
What?
It's an unorthodox way of doing it.
So you've watched Naruto though, right?
I even tried reading the manga multiple times.
I think one of my favorite episodes of Naruto was like the Haku and Zabuza story. Yeah, the Haku and Zabuza story was really sad. That was one of the first episodes to make me cry. Which, by the way, the voice actor died.
Oh.
I'll be the first one to say it. I've had better ramen. So that was our Naruto ramen. Let us know of what you guys thought of our first attempt, or at least my first attempt at making ramen. And Sasuke's still an asshole.
Sakura's still the most useless character.
So I appreciate you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more anime and otaku related content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!